Well, g'day guys. Today we are going to be installing a tailgate assist into a D-Max, a brand new D-Max. Now, if you don't know what a tailgate assist is, basically every time you go to open or close the tailgate in a ute, it's quite hard, especially if you've got some groceries or things in one hand. They're really heavy. So what this does is takes that pressure off both opening and closing it by using gas struts. Now, it's a really good bit of kit, and I reckon every ute should have them from the factory, but they don't. So what you've got to do is spend $200 basically. This kit was $199, and here off you go. It's got everything you need inside apparently, so let's open the box and see what you get. Alright, first of all, the gas struts. I did a little bit of research into these. These are a German-made gas strut. They suit each individual kit specifically. It's not just a one-size-fits-all sort of solution. So these are specifically suited to the D-Max in this case. Now, instructions. You're probably not going to read them, but you should. You should always read the instructions. Now we've got 7 pages here, and that includes what tools you need, what comes in the kit, including how many, so 8 bolts here, so you can actually check through and make sure you've got everything before you start, which I'd recommend doing as well. Nice clear pictures, so it's just paint by numbers. That's really good to see. Again, read them. So we've got the gas struts, we've got the instructions, and now we've got a whole bunch of brackets. Let's go through them one by one. What have we got here? There's some washers and some Allen head bolts, so you will need an Allen key for this kit. There's nothing in that. Now these are the limiting straps, so this is going to stop the tailgate falling too far and potentially damaging the struts, so these are included as well. There is another kit you can get which I think was $20 cheaper, $179, so if you don't need these you can save a little bit of money there. Got some empty bags, all the brackets you need. Now there's a bit of gear in here, you can see where the money goes. Let's get rid of that. So we've got this looks like the ball joints to go on gas struts which bolt onto the ute, various other brackets which will all make sense in the instructions, and they're all pre-drilled. You can see they've got a bit of room so they'll line up, little bends in there. It's nice and light but it's good quality. That's what you want to see. So here's everything you get in the kit, and it looks completely ready to go. What we're going to do next is jump downstairs and install it into the D-Max and show you what goes into an installation, but it should be something anyone can do at home.